We're going to talk about my exhaust, as it's probably one of the most asked questions I ever get on my Instagram or YouTube channel. What I'm rocking currently is the Fat House Fab 321 or 321 equal length headers. It's a 4:1 shaped style, kind of like the Killer Bee. From there, I have the Grimmspeed up pipe paired with the Tile 44mm external wastegate, running the 44 because it's lower boost. If you go higher boost, you want a smaller wastegate, so like 35mm. Excuse the crows. From the Tile and the up pipe, I have a Tomei Race catless down pipe, and then from there I have the Grimmspeed Gentleman's exhaust that is resonated. And currently, probably one of the best setups I had just due to sound, because I'm quiet on the streets with this exhaust, but the instant I hit boost, external wastegate opens up and it's nice and loud. You guys may know, or from the OGs, the ones that have found me, I either had the Tomei setup, which was extremely loud. A comparison is Eddie Nuffset. He has basically the exact same setup as me with the Tomei, and that setup is stupid loud. For comparison, I blew sound at Thunder Hill with a 107. Which is incredibly loud. Even at idle, 2000 RPM, barely getting on gas, it is very loud. I have plenty of people roll their windows up, complain about how loud it is with the Tomei. So once I got state ref'd, I actually switched off, got rid of the Tomei as much as I miss it. If I remove, or when we move to Texas, I will definitely be getting a Tomei again, because Texas has no laws about how loud you can be. And single exit, just love the way it looks. I also had the nameless muffler delete, which I think is one of the main reasons my YouTube and Instagram blew up, was because of my nameless setup. There I had the stock headers, stock up pipe, I had the nameless catted divorced wastegate downpipe, that's a mouthful, and then I had a custom 3-inch mid pipe non-resonated, and then their muffler delete axle back. That, I'll play some sound clips for you. That thing was a nasty setup, and that was just incredibly loud, incredibly raspy, and I think that's what put me on the map. But for the most part, yeah, this is my exhaust setup. Short video, super simple. To cover it again, the Fat House Fab equal length headers, Grimmspeed up pipe, external wastegate, catless down pipe by Tomei, and the Grimmspeed Gentleman exhaust. I have tons of YouTube videos of exhaust setups, so please feel free to check those out. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask down below. Not much else to say. I'll just play some sound clips.